Ask the Expert is sponsored by Jack Motor Group.
As winter roads get slick, the safety of your vehicle becomes a top priority. Amanda Rosenberg, Mike Gibble, and Brian Levesque, Jack Chevy in Saco, thank you so much for having us today.
Thanks for coming.
Of course, we all know that Maine roads in the winter can get pretty slick, pretty nasty. What is the #1 safety measure in a vehicle, and what are some of the things that drivers should be looking for?
Sure. Well, the #1 safety feature in a vehicle is definitely brakes. Let's face it, it's important to stop the car when you want to stop the car. So having indicators like squishy brakes, if they're squealing or if they're grinding, that's going to tell you that it's time to come visit us and get your brakes checked.
So Brian, maybe you've noticed some of those signs, or maybe it's just that you want to make sure your car is winter ready. What is the process like when you come into service here at Jack Chevy?
Typically, they'll come in and have us perform a brake inspection on their vehicle. They'll give some kind of indication of it's just maintenance, or it pulls, it grinds, it squeaks, it rattles over bumps, something. So we'll bring it in, we'll take the wheels off, we do a thorough inspection, make sure that all the moving parts are moving freely as they should. The brake rotors have a good smooth braking surface, and make any recommendations that we find.
And Mike, what is the difference? Why is it so important to come to a certified Chevy dealer for service, more so than maybe a neighborhood mechanic?
Yeah, so Adrian, we are super proud of the fact that no other Chevy dealership in Maine has more certified master world-class technicians than we have here at Jack Chevrolet. They go through specific training from Chevrolet on how to work on these vehicles, and we use specific Chevrolet certified parts that were designed to fit your vehicle correctly and help your vehicle run the way it should.
If anybody would like more information, or say that, something just doesn't feel right on their vehicle right now, what is the best way to book an appointment or just find more information?
They can give one of our friendly service advisors a call or book right online at jackchevrolet.com.
Excellent. Well, Brian, Mike, Amanda, thank you so much. Certainly appreciate you having us here today. And of course, for more information, we will have that on WGME.com.